Hello. In this tutorial, I'll briefly discuss key aspects of hourly weather data, demonstrate the process of importing custom weather files, and how to convert weather files for use in Designbuilder. The hourly weather data is set at site level under the Simulation Weather Data.
You can access the full tutorial from Designbuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Designbuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Designbuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.